Man, I'm so bored. There's nothing for me to do here in SmashBurger. All I can do is just stand inside the restaurant. I wonder what I can do today. Wait, I have an idea. I'm going to destroy these tables with a sledgehammer. Yay, that's what I'm going to do. Hot 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 hot.
Drawing Jeffy.
Hey, who said my name? Oh, I'm so busted. It's Mars.
Damn right you are drawing Jeffy. Well, I was waiting to get my food here in SmashBurger. I saw you destroying 3 tables with a sledgehammer. What the fuck were you thinking?
Well, Mars, I was feeling bored from just standing inside SmashBurger.
Well, that's just a lame excuse to destroy 3 tables with a sledgehammer. Now thanks to you, it's gonna cost a lot of money to get some new tables for the SmashBurger restaurant.
Hey, what's going on here? I heard a very loud crash while I was running the cash register in SmashBurger.
Well, Sandy, take a look at this. While I was waiting to get my food here in SmashBurger, I saw Drawing Jeffy destroy 3 tables with a sledgehammer.
Drawing Jeffy? Are you fucking serious right now? How dare you destroy 3 tables with a sledgehammer here in SmashBurger? You know that these tables cost $1,000. Now we have to get some new tables for this restaurant thanks to you. That's it. You're temporarily banned from visiting the SmashBurger location for the entire month. Go home now while I call your father about this.
Drawing Jeffy, I am extremely disappointed at you right now after Sandy has notified me about you destroying 3 tables with a sledgehammer at SmashBurger. You know that the tables cost $1,000. Now thanks to you, I have to pay the money back to SmashBurger so that they can get new tables for the restaurant. For this, you are grounded for the entire month. Go upstairs to your room now.